Hello everyone. In this video we'll simulate the window comparator. So this is the circuit of window comparator. Here we have we require two comparators and two diodes and how many resistors? Only one resistor which is of 1K, and then we require 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 VDC, that is DC power supply, that is reference voltages, and we also require input AC input. Yes, so now I'll show you how to make connections for this. So we require first we need to open OrCAD or Capture Light Edition. Okay, we make use of this software in order to make the connections, and then so here first let me place all the components that are required for the in order to make connection. So first let me take UA741. So the name of this comparator is what? UA741. Let me search for that. Here second option is what? Place part. Click on this icon, second icon, place part. Okay, so search for UA741, UA741. Okay, and then click on OK. Here it will show the preview of it, and click on OK and place one comparator. Okay, and press escape, or you can right click and end mode. Okay, and then I'll show you this. So let me zoom in. Okay, so this is what one comparator. So third pin, second pin, fifth, sixth, first pin, and fourth and seventh, these are the pins. Okay, later I'll show you the connection. And let me take one more comparator, UA741. So let me place it here and press escape button or right click and end mode. Okay, and then so after this here let me place the resistor. What is the resistor value? 1K resistor. First let me place a resistor. So click on place part, second icon, and type press R, click on OK, and press R to rotate the resistor. You can either you can press R from the keyboard, or you can right click and use yes so either you can press R or right click and end mode. Okay, fine. And then I'll just so I'll place one resistor here and press escape button, and one resistor is placed here. Here better I'll zoom out so that you can see the entire circuit. Okay, I'll just zoom out now. So we have two comparators placed here and one resistor here. Okay, and now we require VDC, power DC power supply. Okay, let me place diode. Diode name is what? D1N4002. So again click on place part icon, D1N4002. Okay, it is showing here. You can see the preview here, and click on OK. Okay, and now place one diode at the top and one at the bottom, in the bottom. Yes, and press escape button. And next here place VDCs. How many VDC required? We require 6 VDCs, right? So let me place VDCs. Place part, click on place part icon, VDC, and click on VDC. Click on second icon, second icon, place part, and VDC, type VDC. Okay, and let me place. You can press R to rotate V references, and one is here. One way to place at the top, 3, 2, right? So here one I'll place it here, VDC. Okay, press R and press R, and then one here. Yes, and one 2 VDCs here. Press R to rotate this, and here minus is at the top, plus is at the bottom, right? So you can just I'll just take copy of it. Okay, rotate it. You can rotate the resistor, and again VDC, one here, one here, yeah, 2, and then so minus plus, make sure to rotate this resistor, and then here 1, and here also same minus plus. So rotate, press R to rotate, and should be connected to second pin of lower comparator, second pin of lower comparator. Then and then after that so we require, okay, all 6 VDC, that is the reference voltages are placed here. Okay, so now let me take this one V sign, input voltage, that is V sign. Here click on second icon, place part, and type VSIN, V sign, and click on OK and place it here. So let us you make use of wires. So here the third icon is what? Place wire. Third icon is place wire. Click on this place wire icon to make the connection. Okay, so first how to make the connection? First make sure everything is correct. Here 7th pin should be connected to plus 12 and 4th pin to minus 12, 4th pin to minus 12, 4th pin to minus 12, and then here also 7th pin to plus 12 and 4th pin to minus 12, right? So let me make connection. Click on place wire, third icon, which is third icon. Click on this place wire and make the connection. Now this is plus 12 and this is 4th pin to minus 12. Again here 7th pin to plus 12. So here it is actually minus 12. So I had to rotate this now. So press R. Just select this and press R. And here 4th pin to minus 12, right? So you had to rotate this. Okay, rotate this and then make the connection. Click on place wire icon and make the connection. 7th pin to plus 12 and 4th pin to minus 12, and also here just extend the lines here. Click on place wire and extend this line in order to place the ground. We had to place the ground, right? So and press escape button. Again place wire, extend this line to place ground and then press escape button. And place wire, click on place wire and short the second pin of upper comparator with the third pin of lower comparator. Yes, and then here this shorted the connection is connected towards positive terminal of V sign, that is input voltage is connected to either second or this connection, that is click on place wire icon and positive terminal of input voltage is connected to junction of these two, and extend this input voltage and press escape button. And here again we have again click on place wire and connect second pin of lower comparator to positive terminal of VDC, reference voltage, and connect third pin of upper comparator to positive terminal of V reference, the VDC. Yes, and again extend this line to place ground and then press escape button. Click on place wire icon, extend this line to place ground and press escape button. So now it is extended. So now here we have to connect a 6 pin to anode terminal of diode. Okay, so click on place wire, 6th pin to anode terminal of diode, and then 6th pin of lower comparator to anode terminal of diode, and short this cathode terminal of upper this one diode and lower diode. Okay, short these two diodes. Click on place wire and short these two. Okay, and then the junction of these two cathode terminals is connected to a resistor. So I'll click on this, and one end of resistor is connected to junction of these cathode terminals, and extend the other end of resistor, okay, in order to place ground, and press escape button. Now let me place ground. So we require how many grounds? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 grounds. Okay, need to be placed. Now the fourth icon is what? Place net alias. Okay, place net alias. You can see that place net alias is what is that? It's used to, this icon is used to place ground. Click on this and press type 0 and click on OK button. One ground is placed here. 1 second. 2 3 4 5 and here. Okay, and I have not extended this line. Click on place wire and to extend this that terminal. Okay, and press escape button and extend this line also. Okay, press escape button and place net alias. Again type 0, click on OK. 2 more grounds placed here. Yes, so now okay, that so here also one more ground. Yes, done. So now let me give the what is that values for this. So what is the value now? We have to give, this is 12 12 okay, you don't have to give plus 12 and minus 12 because that polarity itself will tell us whether it is plus and minus. So just double click on 0 VDC, double click on 0 VDC and type 12, okay, and double click on 0 VDC and change it to 12, click on OK, and here also same, double click on this and type 12, click on OK, and double click on this, type 12, click on OK, done. So now here the value of this particular VDC is what? -3 and +3. This is upper triggering point and lower triggering point, UTP and LTP. So this is -3 is LTP and +3 is UTP. So double click on this and type -3, click on OK, and here also 0 VDC, type 3, click on OK. So now here we have to give this now V offset voltage, V off, V amplitude voltage, and frequency, right? So here the frequency is what? You can see the offset voltage is 0, amplitude is 10 volt, and frequency is 50 hertz. So double click on this V offset, just place cursor on this and double click on this V off, okay, select this and double click on this and change it to 0, and amplitude is what? And that is input voltage, okay, amplitude of input voltage is 10 volt. Okay, it starts from 0 and set 10 volt, and then double click on this frequency is 50 hertz, just type 50, okay. Now and what is value of resistor? Is 1k, okay, done. Everything is done now. So now we need to select what is this new simulation profile. Double click on before placing the probes. Now we need to click on new simulation profile, okay. You can, okay, before clicking on this, just save this, save document, okay, or you can go to file and save the document, and then new simulation profile. Here you can see the icon new simulation profile. Click on this and give some name for this. This is window comparator. I'll just type VWIN. You can give any name for this. Click on create button. Now here you can see simulation settings window, and here run to time 100 millisecond. Run to time is 100 millisecond and 0.01 millisecond. 0.01 millisecond. Click on OK, and now let us place the probe. Here you can see a voltage or level marker. Yes, you can see the icon voltage or level marker. Just place the cursor, you can see that voltage or level marker. Click on this and place one probe here, that is input to see input voltage, that is sine waveform, and here to see the output, that is a rectangular waveform, right? That's the output of window comparator is rectangular waveform. So press escape button. So now click on run, okay, save this. Here we are not getting output proper out, because here fourth pin should be connected to -12 volt, right? So let me rotate this resistor. You can rotate the resistor, and fourth pin is connected to -12. Okay, so now you can you'll get the output. So click on run. Okay, here also 7th pin to +12 and 4th pin to -12. Everything is correct. Let me check. So when you click on run button, you'll get the output. So this is the output. Here the green line is what? This is a sine wave input, okay, and this red color is what? It is the window comparator output. This is the output of window comparator. Here window comparator means what? So this is the range is what? Plus UTP is +3 and LTP is -3, right? Here you can see UTP is what? +3 volt and LTP is -3 volt. So within this specified range, so this is the window, okay. In this specified range, the output will be low, okay. So when it exceeds that -3 volt, then the output will be high. So it will keep repeating. So this is the output of window comparator, okay. Hope you have understood. Thank you so much.